I'm going to show you how to replace the ear cushions for Bose Quiet 35, Quiet Comfort 35, sorry. Okay, so firstly, what you want to do is usually you would have them, the headphones here, so you would take these off and you would have these in there. So what you'd want to do also is they'll be stuck in there, so you'd want to just rip them out slowly, each of them, and then bring out the new ones, which are these, and back in there. You have these in there, and now what you want to do is remove these stickers off them, and slowly, and then sort of make sure that you're on the right side. So you would stick on the it should work still, the right side, like that. And you want the left side as well. To sort of be okay. Make sure. Okay. Yeah. Okay, and oops, just a little bit more left. And the last spot. There you go. Done. Juanita.
Finito.